Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Styling. Today I will share with you about a new brilliant project named as MemePad. I will show all the detail about the MemePad. You can buy it. Their pre-sale will start in 14 days. So must go and join it. I will show all the detail in this video. So stay tuned and watch full video. If you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So this project is related about the MemePad, and there you can do staking. You can make your team and make money from the referral system. You can buy it. All the details will be given here. You can connect that with the wallet, but it will be given in the coming soon time. So you can see the next price here, all details. It is the meme project and you can do staking on it. You can make money by the referral system too. The first community meme coin launchpad. You can see MemePad is your gateway to the hottest meme coin pre-sale, offering early access to the verified potential crypto project with a fair distribution, anti-rug safeguards, and the real marketing power. Join the future of meme coin today. And it is a first community meme coin launchpad, and this is the gateway for the hottest meme coin pre-sales. They offer early access to the verified high potential crypto projects, and also they give the fair distribution. They have the anti-rug safeguards, and they have also the real marketing power. You can join that. You can even join them on the basically their social media too. So MemePad ecosystem is given beyond the early access. MemePad offers an innovative ecosystem powered by the AI agent, referral rewards, and the staking opportunity. They have the launch part, they have the AI agent, they have the referral system and staking reward. So I will just go and close it here and share with you about that. You can see it here, the launch pad, launch or invest in the next big meme coin. So you can be able to launch or invest in the next big meme coin. You can create launch meme token in just 5 simple steps with a minimal fee. So you can see you can stake your $MPX means MemePad token and participate in their exclusive meme coin pre-sale, which is under the 100k so market cap. So you can see you can also create your AI agent, automative your crypto presence with the AI. You can even increase the referral system where you can see a passive crypto with referrals. You can see invite your friends with the grow your earning effortlessly. The referral program will be 10% commission on every successful referral, and you can see it here. They have the staking rewards. You will get 600% APY plus stakers get exclusive airdrop. So you can see how to buy. For buying that, you have to connect it with your wallet, which is coming on soon. So you can use Phantom or the MetaMask. You have to connect it. You can have any Sol wallet is preferred here. So you can see you have the confirmed transaction. You can buy $MPX, MemePad with Sol, ETH, BNB, USDT, and even though from USDC too. You can even buy from these given here 5 things. You can see you can claim tokens and your MPX after the pre-sale and on the homepage. So it will be start in 14 days, so must go and do your research before going it. You can see it here, the tokenomics, their public sale, the liquidity, staking rewards, project ecosystem, core team development, marketing, and centralized exchange. All the detail is given. You can read that too. Their total supply is given here, which is shown. You can see they have the roadmap while fortune tellers guessed their plan. So here have the phase 1 where they have the project initiation and smart contract at their website launch, and all the detail is given here. So you can see it here, the website, the white paper, pre-marketing. In phase 2 they will go for the consult audit, and all the detail is given here. And you can see it here, the phase 3 they will go for the MemePad best testing AI agent. Phase 4 they will go for the MPX launching, listing on the top exchanges MemePad, and all the details you can see it here. So further, if I go here and share with you the other detail about the stage 2, and you can see it here and all the details which is given here, where what is the MemePad MPX, and you can join their community too. Their community is given. You can join them on the Telegram, even though you can join them on the Twitter too. For Telegram, you can see it here, they have the Telegram which is 32 subscriber here. So must go and go and join them, their channel. It is a very good project. You can see the news on it here. So I show all the details, but I will recommend you to do your own research before investing in it. It is a good project. The pre-sale will start in 14 days. So if you want to make money, you can do your research and do here the investment, but after your own research. So if you like my video, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.